Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create a poll in line. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to any chat of your choice. I'm gonna go to it right now. Once you've done that, as you guys can see, this is the chat with my friend. At the bottom left, you can simply see the plus icon right next to camera. Click on it right now. Once you do that, this thing will open up. Do note that it's going to provide you with a few options. And right here, once again, at the bottom left, you can see the poll option. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, simply click on the option called as Create Poll. Click on it. Now all you guys need to do is enter a poll question and the options. I'm gonna enter all of them right now. Do note that you can also set the ending date, multi-vote and anonymous vote option. Well, as you guys can see, I am doing it right now. Once everything is okay, simply click on the done option right here. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have created a poll in line. The process is quite easy, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.